Hey hello guys, this is Motor Transport here. How are you doing? And welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more vlogs with cars and bikes. And so today we are riding this beast Xuv500. And one more thing, I wanna mention that my Master R15 V4 is in hospital. I mean, in service center. Uh, because we had a small crash and some parts were damaged. So it takes 1.5 months to complete, and it's a story. I'll detail it in the upcoming vlogs.
Really feel, oh yeah. Tell me how you really feel, 'cause I don't mind. No, I don't mind. Tell me how you really feel. Oh yeah.
So by the way, this car belongs to my friend. By the way, we family members are on a little long ride to our relative's house. So guys, now it's like almost 9:30 like that. Now as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs on this highway. Uh, so vehicles over here are going pretty much slow, not the usual speed. Uh, Everyone are in controlled speed, and so guys, do you basically like rain rides, like driving in the rain on the highways? Do you like? I basically like it, and it feels fresh day, and of course it is a good feeling while traveling. Uh, and guys, and the rain has just stopped, and and the vehicles are a little bit speeding up, I guess. And it's been too long. It's been so long riding on this highway. Not exactly on this highway, a good highway. It's been so long. I feel I feel so happy riding, and I feel relaxed and refreshing day, like refreshing ride. And riding an XUV 500 is a next level feel, I guess. Because hatchbacks cars are giving side to me, uh, it feels good. And yes, but not all the cars giving me side. It's their wish. I mean, I'm just saying this. Oh damn! Look at that truck coming in the wrong route. Actually, why don't the trucks and the buses keep left? And don't know why they are keep coming left for no reason. And now we are approaching some village. Man, look at him. No indicator. He's just turning like that. He on the indicator, but he's he's turning very fast. So I'm just taking left, and he's not wearing an indicator yet. And basically, there's a half tank right now. This is actually a diesel vehicle, so it is half of the tank right now. As you can see, hope you can see the meter over there. And so, guys, what is your best way to come out of your problems? Do you have any tips? Well, I basically have one. If you are facing any problem or any some issue uh, or mental issues like that, I just have one tip. If you know that it is well and good. Well, it's only traveling. Traveling, exploring is the best thing to come out of your problems. Because traveling teaches many things, and it also relaxes your mind and body from any other thinkings, as well as it gives mental peace to the body and mind while we travel. So traveling is the best way to come out of your problems. Saying as an experienced guy.
Tell me how you really feel. Oh yeah.
So guys, we just reached a road diversion. So we have to go on the right side of the road. So we have to go carefully over here. Look at the bike guy over there. He just he just crossed the vehicles, and that bike guy too. So guys, as you saw over here, from the place where they block the road, from there's no problem at all. Like there's no construction going on, and there's no accident at all. You can see at the left road, even though they blocked the road, don't know why, but we are going this way.
Really feel, 'cause I don't mind. No, I don't mind. Let's go bounce.
And as you can see, there's an auto in front of us. Uh, I'll try overtaking it when the oncoming vehicles are cleared. Almost the oncoming vehicles are cleared. There's a truck coming. Let's try overtaking this auto. And there are triangleish cones over here. Let's go. And it's giving some power and taking left. Okay, finally we did it. So guys, it's not really particular to do it, but actually there was auto now, so that's why I did it. So because the Toto was going uh, slow, so that's the reason I just did overtake. So guys, there's still nothing on the left road. There's nothing like no accident or nothing going on the left. It's still being empty. Don't know why. Let's see. By the way, this voice is not recorded live, but I'm just voiceovering to this video. And coming to the ride experience, this XV500 gives much premium feel on the highway as well as city. So I'm basically riding this Beast XV500 on the highway for officially first time, as well as this XV500 is my dream car since many ages. So currently I'm using the action cam called SJ Cam M10 Xuv500. So it actually won't work as GoPro cameras. So I need to plan a GoPro camera soon, but the budget is not recommending. So let's see. So as I'm riding this XV500 for first time, I just want to experience the speed, and the speed in the sense not really rash riding, but I just want to test the experience of the high speeds and so yep. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button below and please comment about this vlog and please share with anyone, and please do subscribe to my channel for more vlogs with cars and bikes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Spread love and peace. Thank you.